Now I am going to explain the dicot family Fabaceae, the botanical description of Clitoria ternacea, that is Sangupushpam in Tamil name. First we have to see in the one by one in a characteristic way. First one is the habit. So twining climber is present in this family, and root is the branched taproot system having the root nodules, and stem is a aerial weak stem and twinner. Okay, so twining climber means and the stem is also a twinner. Okay, so now we see the picture. So that is the habit of the plant Clitoria ternacea. So twining climber is present, and the root is the taproot and having the root nodules. Okay, so this one is the root nodules and taproot system. The root nodule is dividing here. Okay, so the next one is the stem is a very weak stem under twinner and aerial. Aerial means above the ground. Okay, so the next characteristic is the leaf. So leaf is a imparipinnately compound leaf and also alternate stipulate showing reticulate venation, and leaflets are stipulate, petiolate and stiples are pulvinated, and inflorescence, so solitary and axillary inflorescence, that is imparipinnately compound leaf. Okay, so imparipinnately means add number of the leaves. If you are counting means the only 7. Okay, so add number is present, and also compound leaf and alternate. So alternate and stipulate showing reticulate venation. So stipulate means that is the presence of the stiples here. Okay, so stiples is present here, no, and here is also stipple is present. So stipulate and showing the reticulate venation. If you are seeing the leaf means the venation is the reticulate venation, and leaflets are also stipulate, and petiolate means, so here is the petiole is present, and here also petiole is present. Okay, so stipulate and petiolate, and stiples are pulvinated. So here is the pulvinate form. Okay, so bulge form of the petiole is present, mean that is the pulvinated. So this is the explanation of the leaf. And also inflorescence we already know. Okay, solitary and axillary. Okay, so கோண பகுதியில் வந்து பூ வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும், that is solitary தனித்த பூ and கோண பகுதியில் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும், solitary axillary. So leaf and also inflorescence. And then next one is the flower. So flower is the bracteate, bracteolate, and bracteoles usually large, pedicellate, heteroclematis, complete, bisexual, complete नाले bisexual flower தான், pentamerous, zygomorphic and hypogynous. Okay, so here is the bract and bracteolate. So பூ வெடிச்சதில் பூ காம்பிச்சதெல்லாம் ப்ரெசன்ஸாக இருக்கும், அண்ட் bracteoles வந்து மோஸ்ட்லி லார்ஜாக வந்து ப்ரெசன்ஸாக இருக்கும், அண்ட் pedicellate, ஸோ காம்பு பகுதி வந்து ப்ரெசண்ட்டாக இருக்கும், and heteroclematis. Then next one is the complete flower. So heteroclematis means also both the male and female, so two portions is present, and that is a complete and also bisexual, pentamerous. So 5 petals and sepals, number is 5. Zygomorphic, only one symmetry, and also hypogynous. Hypogynous means at the base of the ovary there is the presence of the sepals, petals and androecium and gynoecium. Okay, so that is the hypogynous, மேல்மட்ட சூலகப்பை. Then next one is the calyx. So sepal is 5, syncephalous and green color showing valvate aestivation, and ad sepal is anterior in position. Okay, so here is the 5 number. Okay, so sepals 5 and syncephalous, so join பண்ணி fusela வந்து இருக்கு, and valvate aestivation, ad sepal is anterior in position. Okay, so ad sepal பார்த்தனா anterior position ல இருக்கும், so that is the calyx. And next one is the corolla. So already I told petals 5, white or blue color in nature, apopetalous, irregular. So irregular means not a 5 shape is not similar. Okay, papillineous form, that is butterfly shape, and corolla showing dehiscently descendingly imprecate aestivation. So vexillary aestivation or imprecate aestivation. So standard petal, wing petal and keel petal. Okay, so that is the papillineous form of the petals is present here. So vexillum, alae and carina. Okay, so that is the descendingly imprecate. Okay, so this is the descendingly. So பெரியது standard petal or vexillum and wing petal or alae, and this one is the keel petal or carina. So descendingly imbricate aestivation and also papillineous form of the corolla, and white or blue color is present in the apopetalus. Okay, then Anthracium. So totally stamen is 10 in number, diadelphous 9 plus 1. So 9 is in a one bundle and remaining 1 is in a another bundle. So 9 stamen is fused to form a bundle and 10th stamen is free. Then anthers or dithecus. So dithecus means 2 lobe is present and 4 microsporangia and base fixed. So filament is fixed at the base of the anther. And also intros means so dehiscence within the center of the anther, and also longitudinal slits. So dehiscence in the suture in the longitudinal way. Okay, so along with the suture it divides in the longitudinal way. So that is the longitudinal slits. So this is the explanation of the Anthracium of Clitoria ternatia. So this one is the anther and this one is the filament and this is the single stamen. Then Gynoecium, mostly monocarpellary, unilocular with many ovules on marginal placentation. So monocarpellary and unilocular. So locule is only one locule is present and marginal placentation. So ovule is present in the marginal. Okay, so that is the unilocular and also marginal placentation, and monocarpellary, only single carpel is present, and also superior ovary, and style is a simple. Okay, so simple and incurved. Okay, curved nature of the stigma. So stigma mostly feather. So here is the feathery stigma is present in the Clitoria ternatia. Okay, so this one is the stigma and this is the style and this is the ovary and this one is the stipe, காம்பு பகுதி. Okay, so this is the structure of the ovary, that is gynoecium. Commonly we can told as the gynoecium. This one is the in the interstructure. If you cut the ovary means that is the only one locule is present and one ovule is present. That ovule is the marginal placentation type. Okay, the next one is the fruit. So only legume form of the fruit is present here, and seed is the non-endospermous and reniform. So this is the fruit, legume form of the fruit, and seed is the non-endospermous and reniform. Reniform means kidney shaped form of the seed is present. Non-endospermous means food is utilized by the developing of the embryo, and that the mature seeds are without endosperm and they store food and become thick and fleshy form of the seed. That is known as the non-endospermous. We already studied in the lesson 4, endospermous seed and non-endospermous seed. Okay, so non-endospermous means simply the mature seeds are without endosperm, means that is non-endospermous, and also they can store the food and become thick and fleshy. And the next one is the floral formula of the Clitoria ternatia. So BR means bracteate and BRL means bracteolate, and this one is the zygomorphic, and this is the bisexual and complete flower, and this is the calyx 5. Okay, that is the chin sepalus. Okay, so அஞ்சுமே வந்து இணைந்து இருக்கிறதுனால bracket, and this one is the corolla apopetalus. So bracket, without bracket we can mention the corolla. And Anthracium diadelphous. So 9 is in a one bundle and remaining 1 and the anther is free. So 9 is in the bracket and remaining 1 is in the free without bracket. And this one is the gynoecium. So that is the hypogynous. So underline வந்து ஜிக்கு கீழே போடணும், மேல் சூலகப்பை அதனால. Then this one is the only one locule is present, no unicarpellary. So 1. So this is the floral formula. and here is the floral diagram. So this one is the bract. So this is the bracteolate, and last one is the bract. So this is the bracteolate, and this one is the bract, and this 5 is the syncephalus. Okay, so syncephalus means that is the join ஆயிருக்கு, fused with each other. So இந்த மாதிரி join பண்ணி போட்டிருக்காங்க, that is the syncephalus. And this one is the in the violet color, that is the explained of the corolla, that is the apopetalus. So keel petal only fuse, wing petal and also standard petal is the separate in nature. And here is the androecium. Okay, so 9 plus 1, so 9 is in the fuse form and remaining one anther is free. And this one is the gynoecium, that is the unilocular and marginal placentation. Okay, so this is the explanation of the floral diagram of Clitoria ternaceae, and this one is the zygomorphic, mostly int shape. Okay, so not in the plus form, that is the cross form, that is a only one symmetry. So this is the floral diagram, and this one is the floral formula of the botanical description of the Clitoria ternaceae. Okay, thank you students.